Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty today in 5 minutes chart. See, yesterday I have not posted audio analysis. I just posted a video analysis with music. The thumbnail stated the market has to consolidate. The same thing happened, and even today was Tuesday. It was a Fin Nifty expiry. So most of the Tuesdays I have observed it is sideways only. From the day the NSE has launched Fin Nifty expiry, the Tuesdays are like this only. So see, this was our resistance level. It has broke, but this was a false breakout, and again it came to the CPR and traded in this range only. Now let's check the Bank Nifty in 5 minutes chart pattern. It was volatile, but it was sideways only. It has closed with 124 points positive. It has came near to our resistance levels and giving a closing of 124 points. Let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what's the big player planned. We'll follow by FII in options input. They were holding 1.92 lakhs of put buying contract. Today they have unwinded 28,000 contracts, still holding 1.63 lakhs of put buying. And in call they were holding 2.21 lakhs of call buying. Today they have added 38,000 contracts, so they have 2.59 lakhs of call buying contract. So it means they are bullish in options. Future index 61% long, 39% short. They have increased the long, reduced the short by 1%. Stock future percentage 54% long, 46% short, and in cash flow we have seen they have purchased for 2085 crores. So see, FII Fendo is also stating positive positions now. They are purchasing in cash market. So FI view is positive. Client are the retailers input. They were holding a put writing contract of 4,000 contract. Now they have unwinded this and made a fresh put buying of 10,000 contract. And in call they were holding 66,000 contract of call writing. Today they have increased the call writing by 1.74. So let me know the retailers how many people got trapped. The market has to fall from this level and they have sold call writing, or they have created a put buying positions, but market is at the same level, or it has reverse from trapping you. So now the client have created a negative positions in options. Future index 46% long, 54% short, no changes. Stock future percentage 85% long, 15% short, and they have sold for 589 crores in the cash market. So see, client are very much bearish now. Promoters in options input, they were holding 2.86 lakhs of put writing contract. Now they have unwinded only 13,000 contracts, still holding 2.72 lakhs of put writing. It means they're super bullish in options. In call, they were holding 1.54 lakhs of call writing contract. They have unwinded 1.35 lakhs of call writing, still holding 18,000 of call writing. They have super bullish view, so they have created a put writing contract in options. Future index 50% long, 50% short, no changes. Stock future percentage 64% long, 36% short, and in cash flow they have purchased for 294 crores in the cash market. So see, promoters view is super bullish. DIA have sold for 438 crores, so the net value in cash flow was 1,351 crores positive value. Put call ratio Nifty for this week is 1.27. For month end it is at 1.36. Super bullish for week and for month end also. Bank Nifty for this week is at 1.22 and for month end it is at 1. So Bank Nifty is also super positive for this week as well for the month end. Now we'll check the change in OI. Nifty for the first week expiry of June. People have unwinded call writing. We have seen today from 18,400 to 18,600. Not the huge quantity but small quantities. But huge put addition we have seen from 18,450 to 18,600. And people carry forwarding short straddle of 18,650, and good put writing and call writing both at 18,700 as well. So major support we have at 18,600 and major resistance will be at 18,700 for this week. Bank Nifty for the first week expiry of June. Today we have seen call writing unwinding at 44,000 and huge put additions. I mean put writing addition from 44,000 to 44,400, and people carry forwarding short straddle of 44,500, and major support resistance comes around 44,500 only. Now let's check the price action. We'll follow by US. Dow in 5 minutes chart pattern, they have opened flat and there was some profit booking in 5 minutes candle. Nasdaq just now it opened and they are opened gap up by 137 points. So let's check. So Nasdaq in 5 minutes chart pattern, huge gap up they have opened and they're trading positive. It has sustained in 5 minutes candle. So we have to wait for the confirmation. Meanwhile, SGX is trading flat by 4 points negative, and we have seen India VIX has crashed 2.34%. It means they are at 12, very much comfortable. So Nifty in one day chart pattern, it has closed doji candle, but it is a bullish engulfing pattern. So see, as per this price action, we can state market has to go up little bit or it has to consolidate only as per the price action. Bank Nifty in one day chart pattern, it has also formed a same doji kind of a candle and it is a bullish engulfing pattern. So it has to consolidate or it has to break these levels and move higher as per the price action. But we don't have any downfall as per the price action. Mark the algo points. Nifty support will be 18,585 and first support will be 18,672. Bank Nifty first support will be 44,263. First resistance will be 44,554. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is positive, and as per the price action also, the price action stating positive indication. So see, every dip should be a buying opportunity. We will not think of selling. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.